what we have here is a water level sensor. The LED show the pumps that are being used. So ultrasonic sensor for level 1 of water, one pump is being used. Then as my hand goes nearer to the ultrasonic sensor, more pumps are being used. So as you can see. Ayan, para kunwari. Okay. So now we will test for the texting capabilities of our water level sensor. So as you can see, if my hand goes very near to the water sensor, a texting prompt is being shown in the serial monitor. Ito ba? Ito ba?